ม่ป่วยอ่ะ
อย่าทำอย่างนี้อีกนะ
หมวยเกาเหลาจ๋านายเลยครับนั่งเลย
ป๊า
จัดไปอ้าวสั่งมาเร็วต่ออะไร
Wow, that's speed. This one, just about the story where we read, almost similar.
Almost
that
similar.
boy we go thief with them, go put them for
Ice
inside
water.
that ice water. Because for that side, that Asian country, actually, they get the rate of poverty there. We give God thanks for Nigeria. We thank God. So maybe he actually steal that thing, maybe to solve another problem or something. But this, imagine this one, the boy actually still medicine because his mom see they sick. But the man just feel say, you know what, no be to beat him be the solution. Waiting happen. Oh, my mother they sick, he pay for him. Years after, the boy don't to doctor, he don't become who he won't become. And now the man is sick, now he can be the doctor and even pay the bills for hospital. So
what if to say they do that same thing? That we
then
give
that boy jungle
one
justice.
person, like that woman, like that man we call help. At least that person if he manage give himself small brain.
We can actually, we fit change whoever we think we fit they involved in the person life. All right, so my people, Moko no go on to Loki because I don't want cry. They don't talk, say hallelujah, so I no cry today.
Maybe don't they strong.
She not strong.
I agree because I know say Amaka go always bring upside down things every day, so I can't let my tears go every day like that. All right, Moko go on top of our letter from our fan, the person where they actually watch us every day. He said, my name na Peter and I go Ali Ambrose University for Ekpoma. We all know Ekpoma. He said, those days when I did for school, I really be bad boy. When I mean bad boy in capital letter. He talks, say, those days when we go party or for school, we they try to toast the girl. She no gree me and my friends. We they make sure, say, we follow her up to the party where she they go to make sure, say, we do what we want to. For that party, is either we force her to come or we all gather. Cause trouble for the party because we want the girl. We go actually want to rape her. Sometimes we did successful, sometimes you know they did successful. But this one happened 6 years ago before I finished school. I think she be the last person where I take part inside the rape. Her name na Esther. After we don't finish school, I know say I did part of the rape. 6 years after now, I don't finish school. I don't move on with my life. I no be caught again. I know they do anything bad. I come meet this girl where I like her so much that I no feel let her go. We don't dey into a relationship for 2 years. I don't go meet the parents. I won't marry her. And she don't dey bear the name, my fiancé. But she won't tell me the story of the rape wey happened to her for school. I can't notice say I did part of those people wey actually rape her. Wow. The thing where I did struggle with for my head now, make I tell her say I did part of those people wey rape her that night, or make I die with this secret. Talk Wazobia, make una help me.
Gang, 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 gang.
Gang. OMG. Capital letter.
See, that story, it gets as it really be. But
Yeah.
See, we need to understand one thing.
What
When
goes
you
around
say
comes
you dey,
around.
no be even matter of what goes on. Definitely, that one I established facts. Everybody knows say waiting go around will come around eventually. But when the guy they ask say whether make him tell him or make you keep on saying, so for me I go say tell him because that kind rape not be something where women or even men where they experience am go take lightly. And this na person where you be say you want make you better half for the rest of your life. If by mistake she find out one day and not be from you she find out, I dey tell you now the end of your marriage with that. For me, I believe say this one are like test of love. If she really love you, she go respect the fact say it no go there easy oh, no misquote me. Yes, if not me, I go want even kill you self. But I go appreciate and say you tell me by yourself. If you want separate, maybe separate. And if I still feel say okay, I love you now as God wants him, then I go say because if eventually I know if he born due to that waiting happen that year, you go not say you go use your hair carry him because now you cause him. But if you can't say you no go tell him and she find out later, I'm sorry, that marriage don't end.
I so agree with you, as in, I just to agree with you. But another thing I would just like to add, this thing is psychology. In a way, we need to really get person who will help us digest, cut down, left, right, and center for him. Because for the guy in mind now, I don't know whether it would affect him if you not tell this girl. Because yes, you're supposed to tell him. I just feel you're supposed to tell him so that the relationship will actually fit this solid, or if you go break, make it break. Okay. But if you not tell this girl, trust me, psychologically it go scatter. And the girl, she still feels even get that trauma for head.
Yeah, because she did actually struggle with the trauma. That's why she talks say she no want boyfriend all through the when she said don't come finish school. She no get boyfriend and all, but in forcing way to her to know why this girl actually no want me. Now she can tell him say, oh, I attend social school and I be victim of rape. That's why I no want.
So definitely they really need to see psychologists. They really need to sit down. Yes, I will talk to them need prayer as well.
Yeah, okay.
I will talk to them need prayer. But on my own level, where I go fit talk rich, guy, with all my heart and soul, I dey beg you, tell him. So even if the relationship go quench, even if it go scatter,
but Amaka, you supposed to know say this rape where they talk, not be one person do am, then be four.
Yes.
We actually rape this girl.
But in now one of them. You want okay, so when it down happen, they call the mention the remaining one. Tunde follow. This one follow. Make you talk your own. Now you won't marry him. Now you won't marry the girl. Make them not get any unnecessary secrets. This one a big secret, not be unnecessary. Wow. Make it tell them.
Not really big
one.
Big
secret, so make it tell them.
I see the message, I say no.
Yeah, na big secret. Well, tell them, but the day when you go tell them, make sure say you have bulletproof for body because you know the
guy, she won't gun.
The guy AK-47 when she won't put for she won't put for you. Na very big thing. Na very very big thing. First of all, this one a message to all the young people who feel say to do bad na be the way forward when you dey school. You know they pay. Nothing there at the end when you come outside. School no be the end though. Like I always tell people when I dey school, school is a means to an end. At the end you come out from school. Now, what you carry come from school, now go help you. Nobody saying that there word finish. But for you, chairman, by now you don't know say what you do bad and it's completely wrong. Nothing good inside. Use yourself as an example. Take help people when they come after you. Say, oh, no better thing. I be once say, I no go lie you. I be once say, make the guy no tell the babe. Make him live with him. Control in marriage. But the girl thing Betiana been talk. Betiana, you two they catch me for back. I know they like you. The girl thing Betiana talk. When we say, if eventually, and the truth be say, this world where they live in a small world, something if happen one day, if it be after 30 years, the girl will find out say, this guy, they are among the people. Now that time where the bullet will go inside the gun, no before here.
If you miss first one, you don't miss second one.
I tell you, no before here they go make them. So, homeboy, now we will never start them. When you never start the journey of marriage, it better make you open up to this lady. And nobody say you could just open up to her. It's possible if you know say you know to get the mind to do them alone. Make you get one elderly person, not too elderly, but somebody who not believe in. If you be Christian, maybe your pastor, if you dey close to your pastor or something, we go there. You go don't already introduce the topic to the person, make the person know, right? Then you can't carry this your madam, go there, explain everything. Really, na test of love. if she love you, she go grieve, oh. May no expect say she go just open and roll red carpet for you, may you try come. She go vex well. May you expect that when they come. If she love you, after some time she don't think she go stay. But if she no stay, make yourself understand, say now you take your hand do yourself. So that one don't go. You don't learn your lesson. Exactly. You don't learn your lesson. Because you don't go do them again.
If you not sell them, just imagine, say maybe the wedding, maybe he used to be friends with those friends, and then she can't see them, and everything don't they make sense. She just they see them, they remember everything.
I bet that one person, no person tell her that one.
Well, for me now 50-50 because if the man actually won't marry me, I won't forget about my past. I did talk about me.
Okay.
I won't forget about my past because the guy now don't help her fight that trauma of the rape. And she actually don't come out of and she don't date again, which na him she don't date. She don't come out from this thing. Yes, the picture goes still there. You feel forgive, you know if you forget. Yes, you know if you forgive. But the pain and the anger, you don't let go to an extent. You don't come settle down with one of them. They don't tell you, say, love you. Don't, you know, when I don't date together for 2 years, it don't go as fast. It won't marry you, actually. Without, he said this time around, when she can't tell him the story, I think I'll notice, say, not the same girl, because actually they can't discover, say, the girl never even know man before. And they, all of them regret them, but you know now bad boys now they know they go back to their vomit, they move on. You understand? So now therefore end for them and they all finish school. So but for me now 50-50. For me the girl I don't even want here. Hold on to yourself. Since you feel live with them, hold on to yourself. Make it they chop you like that. I actually know one here for me. But in the other hand, I go say I want here so that I go actually free my mind. I go know which people I they deal with, and you need to forget about the people we don't touch like me, we be your friends. All right, so my people, now let's all get from our fan be that if you get anyone where they disturb you. Now here where if you talk and reach with this one, and I know say people for us to go join mouth talk about them. We go still talk small shit or read some messages from people we go actually put them out for this one. We they go for small break. When we come back, we're gonna wrap the thing up. We are coming back. To talk no easy.